ProLED 600 or LED Pro 600, whatever you choose to call it, this is not a preview video, this is a warning. So ladies and gentlemen, hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Nev Harrison and this is Nev Harrison TV. As you can see, I have a ProLED 600 light, and here's another one. Is it a ProLED 600 or LED Pro 600? What's written on the body is LED 600 Pro, but I don't know why people call it ProLED 600, but I have two here. 1, 2, and that's a Yongnuo light behind me. I'm not using any of the lights right now. I'm just using lights from the window and lights in the room right now. Now, why am I making this video? There's a problem with the LED Pro 600, ProLED 600, LED Pro 600 right now. So if you've been using your lights for some time now, and you've been noticing that whenever you're recording, you're having fun, you're doing the woo woo woo, and all of a sudden your light goes off, and you're wondering why. So I've hit the record button now. Okay, we're going live in 20 seconds. Ha! Why does my light always go off whenever I'm shooting? My batteries are charged, but my lights are always going off. I mean, if you have more than one anyway, they're always going off. What could be responsible for your LED Pro 600 or ProLED 600 going off all the time, anytime you're recording a video? One thing might just be responsible for your lights going off, and that thing is Borova! The number one thing that could be responsible for your lights going off while you're recording is heat. Yes, you heard me right. Heat. H-E-A-T, heat. If you're making a video in a very hot environment, the temperature in the room that you're shooting is very hot, no matter how charged your battery is, or your batteries are, yes, because it has more than one battery, no matter how charged your batteries are, your light is going to go off. It's one of the characteristics of this light. It goes off when you are in a very hot temperature. If you're in a room that is very hot, your light is going to go off. I guess it's some way to protect the light, you understand? And the battery too is just going to go off. That you're going to have to need to recharge your batteries again before you'll be able to use the light. As you already know, Nigeria is currently experiencing the hottest temperature in many years. It is hot right now all over Nigeria. It's like the gates of hell has been opened, and we are roasting, we are frying right now. It's very hot right now in Nigeria. So if you're shooting and you're trying to block the sound outside of where you're shooting, maybe like the noise from your neighbors and all of that, your windows are shut, your doors are shut, somehow at some point the room you're in is going to get hot. And when it gets hot, H-O-T, hot, it's going to affect your light, and your light is going to go off. So if you want to protect your light, avoid shooting in very hot temperatures. As a matter of fact, it's not just lights it is affecting. It is also affecting cameras, cards in cameras. You see this card? Oh, I'm gonna have to zoom in. This is a SanDisk card, the one with black on the body. This card, especially if you're using this particular type of SanDisk and you're shooting under hot temperature, the card is going to just trip off. It's going to stop recording. If you're shooting under hot temperature, your card, not just your light is going to go off, your card in your camera is also going to be affected, especially the black SanDisk card. That's the situation right now. That's what is happening, because a couple of people have contacted me since my last video, my last review of this light, the ProLED 600 light. You know, people have been contacting me to ask questions about the lights. It's hot right here. So people have been contacting me since I did a review on this particular light. They've been asking me questions about the light. You know, my light has been going off whenever I just start recording. 30 minutes into recording, my light goes off and my batteries are fully charged. Yes, it's the heat that we're experiencing right now that is affecting your light. Secondly, if you're recording and you're not in a hot environment, the temperature is not hot, and you're recording and your light goes off, your batteries. Something is wrong with your batteries. Your batteries are not powerful enough to power the lights. So your batteries, either something is wrong with your batteries or the capacity is not, big enough to hold the lights for a long period of time. So if it's not your batteries, if you're so sure that your batteries are okay, your batteries are powerful, your batteries are new, and your lights keeps going off, it's the heat. Solution: avoid shooting in very hot temperature. Some people can decide to wait for evening because it's always hot during the day to shoot, but like where I am, it's terrible both during the day and at night. It's hot during the day and extremely hot during the night. So if you want to shoot, you want to record, you're going to have to be recording intermittently. What's that English? Intermittently. You're going to have to be recording, from time to time. Record a little, stop, let your equipment cool off, and start recording again. That's the only solution what am I saying again? Sorry. That's one solution I can recommend for you. Record, stop, take breaks, and record again. Another important thing that you must know about this light is that on its own, it generates heat. See this light? The LED Pro 600, Pro LED 600, on its own, it generates heat. On its own, yes. So I hope I have been able to pass some very, very vital information to you, okay? Stop shooting in very hot temperatures and your lights are gonna be fine until you get more money to buy real professional lights, because these are not really professional lights. They're just for, small kind of video shoot, you understand? So thank you for watching this video to the very end. Thank you so very much. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Click on the notification bell so that when next I post a video, you'll be able to enjoy more of my content. Thank you so much. My name is Nev Harrison. Until next time, it's bye-bye. Very hot in here. Extremely hot in here. It's so hot in here. Oh my God. So hot in here. Be warned.